Hello everyone, I am Asha Best. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are safe and sound at your place. Dear students, today I welcome you all in class 4 EVS, the second part of the chapter Map Reading Locating Places. Before starting with the second part, let me revise the first part for you all. In the first part, we discussed what is a map. We also discussed some of the languages of the map. So let's begin with the second part of this chapter today. Title on the map. The heading or title on the map tells us what the map is about. The heading or title of a map explains us or informs us that what are the important things we are going to study in a particular map. It tells us about the important points of the map, like if the title of the map shows rivers of India, then it means that we are going to study about different rivers which flow through India. So a title of a map always tells us that what we are going to know in the particular map. Key or legend. There are many things which are given in a map whenever you study through a map. So the explanation of the symbols used in a map is known as key. There are different symbols given in a map. Because if we write each and everything on a map, it will cover a larger area of space. You will require a long piece of paper for that, and which will not be easy for you to carry from one place to another. So in place of writing everything, there are symbols used on map. These symbols are known as the key, which tells us something very important on a map. On a map, the index key helps us to relate the symbols to the areas where they are marked. Like the index key tells us that which color represents which physical feature of India. Like suppose for blue color, for water we use blue color, for mountains we use brown color, for desert we sometimes use orange color. So these are the index keys which tells us that which areas are represented using these symbols. Landmarks. Landmarks are the important reference points that help us to locate a place, for example, school, hospital, river, roads, and many more. These landmarks are the reference points. Suppose you are going somewhere and you need a particular place with which you are going to locate the place where you want to reach. Atlas. An atlas is a book of map. It has maps of different countries of the world. It is a composition of maps. You'll find different types of maps in a atlas, and that atlas is very useful for all the students, for everyone, because using an atlas we can reach to any country, any place on the earth. We can study about any country or about the special physical features of the countries using the atlas. Now finally, the types of maps. There are three types of maps: political map, physical map, and thematic map. Let's have a discussion, or you can say a brief introduction to these maps, as these maps you will discuss in detail in your senior classes. So the first type of map is political map, second is the physical map, and third is the thematic map. Political map gives us information regarding, if we talk about our country, if you see the political map of our country, it tells us about the towns, the cities, the states, as well as the capitals. Okay, so political map tells us, gives us view of a country, its states, its capitals also. Okay, it tells us, it gives us the political feature of a country. Then comes the physical map. Physical map tells us or gives us information regarding the physical features of a particular country, like its mountains, rivers, plains, plateaus, desert areas. So a physical map gives us physical features of a particular country. Then finally comes the thematic map. Thematic maps are, as the name itself explaining its meaning, thematic maps are related or made theme based. Like map of the rivers of India, map showing the forest areas, map showing population, map showing the, you can say, the areas where the mines are there. So these kind of maps are thematic maps. It may show you the rainfall occur in different places. It may show you the population of different areas. So theme based maps are known as thematic maps. It takes a particular topic and gives you information regarding that. So this is all about this part of this chapter. Hope you liked it. We'll soon meet with some other videos from your EVS book. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.